Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, Euro USD is going down, and if you're a day trader, you can see that there is selling pressure on the chart of Euro USD. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see dollar steady as traders weigh labor data rate outlook. The dollar was near a 2-week high against a basket of currencies on Wednesday as investors assess US economic data that showed a cooling labor market while mentioning the Federal Reserve will cut rates next year. This is the chart of DXY. As expected, DXY is heading higher, and mostly there is not much craziness in the market right now. If you look at the charts, you'll see that more or less market is silent. There is not crazy volatility because of the upcoming NFP. Market is waiting for NFP for a direction. Market is waiting to get crazy after NFP. And usually before a major event like NFP, we don't get to see much volatility. So we can expect that USD pairs will remain sideways or choppy before Friday. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, we can see that DXY is right now standing at 103.90. This is the current market price. Before Friday, we can expect that DXY will be trying to head higher and it will head towards 104.20 to 104.50, the next resistance here. And I'm not saying that DXY will be reversing from here, but yes, we can expect that DXY will face some selling pressure. It will struggles for some time, and after that DXY maybe break the resistance and hit higher, because we can also see a structural change on the chart of DXY as well. So if the structural change is real, then obviously no resistance is gonna work. DXY will be going for a trend reversal, but the NFP is the problem here. Okay, without NFP this would have been a trend reversal, but right now we cannot say this because NFP may change the structure of the market again. So let's wait and watch right now how the market reacts. So 104.2050 is the next stop for DXY, and in case market falls before NFP, we can expect 102.50, the previous low, to provide support to the market. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see we have ADP NFP coming up today. ADP NFP is not a major event that will change the direction of the market, but still it will bring volatility. So be careful, do not gamble. And for Euro, you can see retail sales also coming up. So Euro pairs will be volatile before ADP NFP. So Euro pairs, you need to be double careful if you're a lover of the Euro pairs. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that if market starts falling and if the volatility of the market remains like this, then obviously 1.0730, 1.0750 is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. I'm not going in detail because already we have discussed this 3 to 4 times, so I do not want to bore you guys. But yes, 1.0750, 1.0730 is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. And if the volatility of the market remains like this, we can definitely expect a bounce and you can go for a buy position. Usually in this type of market condition, when market is going for a trend reversal, taking a buy is not the ideal thing to do. But here, the volatility of the market is very low, so as a result, when the market will bounce, we can go for a buy. But keep in mind, try to exit within the same day. How much you can expect? 40-50 pips. And right now we are on the 4 hours time frame. Once you'll see the market has entered the zone, switch to a lower time frame like the hourly time frame or 50 minutes time frame. 50 minutes better for the proper entry. Observe the market behavior on 15 minutes M15. If you see market is taking support, market is getting the required support, you can go for a buy position. So this seems to be the next support on the chart of Euro USD before the news. And on the other hand, if you see Euro USD going up, you can expect that around 1.0835 market will face some resistance. Not only we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, but also the previous support will be acting as resistance here. So if we combine both the factors, 1.08 around 1.035 we have the resistance on Euro USD for the day. And in case market breaks it, the next will be around 1.0870. So these are the two resistances on the chart of Euro USD before news. After news, if you see that market is extremely volatile, try to avoid technicals, because as a trader, it is important to know when to trust the technicals and when to go with the fundamentals. And it is a sad reality, but it is very true that when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. So when news dominate the market, always try to go with the news instead of going for reversals. Clear? So this is all about Euro USD. So here also we have a structural change, but due to NFP, so market is slow right now. So as a result, we can expect that in this low volatile situation, we can go with the levels right now. Now let's look at the chart of the cable GBP USD. GBP USD also slowly going down, but due to lack of volume, due to lack of volatility, market is not going down properly. So market was taking support around FIBO 23.6% for a long time. We discussed this, and due to low volatility, market was not going for a proper breakdown. So during the day, if you see there is a sudden drop on GBP USD, you can expect 1.2530 to 1.2500 to be the support for the market. Okay, 1.2530, 1.2500. If market bounces, you can look for a buy position. You can see that before 1.25002530, where we have FIBO 38.2, we also have the 100 moving average coming up. So around 100 moving average also you can observe the market. Right now I cannot give you the exact number because it's a dynamic support. Right now it is standing at 1.2552. Maybe by the European session or US session it will be around 1.2560. Okay, so it will be better to observe in live market. And apart from that, I don't think so that taking a sell position at resistance is a wise thing to do here on the chart of GBPUSD, because overall the market is still up. Unlike gold, unlike Euro USD, we do not have any mega structural change here. So as a result, let's wait and watch for this particular level only. If market respects it, we can go for a buy position. Okay, so my dear friends, that's all from my side. And yes, the Hindi workshop is starting from today. And thank you so much for such an overwhelming response, my dear friend. If you are interested with the English workshop, you can still join. And yes, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. If you're interested, you can still join. I have mentioned my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. I have received many requests for beginners workshop, but this workshop is not for beginners, complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. That's why 3 days workshop with 1 month support. These are the benefits that you will be receiving while being a part of the Pro Trader program or the workshop or during the 1 month. Okay, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. The dates are, you can see, English classes will start from 11, 12 and 13th of December. The classes are conducted over Google Meet, and if you cannot attend also, recordings will be there, so you don't need to worry if you cannot attend. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop, 1 month support. Trading takes time. If you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for personal sessions with me, then obviously you can sign up for very affordable semi-annual or lifetime support here as well. Everything is mentioned on the website. After the payment, simply share the screenshot to the WhatsApp number here. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.